Hey guys, welcome back to another video of this COBOL programming series. In this video, we'll be discussing about two-dimensional array. So a two-dimensional table is created with both data elements being variable length. So here, this is the syntax of two-dimensional array. So as we discussed in the previous video, to define the one-dimensional array, we have used the occurs clause at one time. Here in this two-dimensional array, we will using the occurs clause multiple times, two times. This is first time and this is second time. So first occur clause we'll use for rows and second occur clause is for columns. So this is the syntax for two-dimensional array. So let's go to the mainframe and we'll write a new program to understand the two-dimensional array. So let's go. So now we are at mainframe screen. So I already created a program structure and this is the program name two-dimensional program. Program name is two-dimensional program. This program ID and this member name would be same. So this is the basic structure we have. So let's write a two-dimensional array. Let's define it. Insert is we start at column 12, 0, 1. We will define table, WS table. Okay. Under this, we have a group item WSA occur 2 times. Then we will define WSB tick x of 5. Okay. At 10, level 10. Insert 10. Okay. Then we have 10 WSC occurred 2 times. And then at 15 level, WSD occurs WSD pick x of 6. So guys, we have defined this two-dimensional array. Let me understand you. So this is for row, WSA. This all things comes under WSA, which is occurring 2 times. Okay. For first variable would be row, and the second variables would be first occur clause is for rows, and second occur clause is for columns. Okay. So let me show you in Excel sheet to understand you better two-dimensional array. So occurs clause comes twice. Okay. So twice means first WSA. This is for row first and this is for row second. Okay. And let's give some values here. WS table value COBOL, COBOL, course, COBOL, course. So this is the array values. So this occurs 2 times. This comes under WSA. So WSA means COBOL course. This is first occurrence of WSA. And this is second occurrence of WSA. Now, what this COBOL is, this is WSB pick x of 5. This means, and this is twice because it comes under WSA 2 times. So this COBOL and this COBOL is WSB and WSC occurs 2 times. So course and this course comes twice, occurs 2 times for x of 6 byte. This is first occurrence and this is second occurrence. So if we write this table in, if we make this table in Excel sheet, so how does this comes? Let me show you. First row is COBOL, core. This is first occurrence. COBOL, core. This is second occurrence. So this is WSA first occurrence, WSA first occurrence, second occurrence, sorry. And this is WSC first occurrence and this WSC second occurrence. So this is the table we have defined here. So I hope guys you have understood this two-dimensional array. So first occurrence is for row and second occurrence for columns. This way we define the two-dimensional array. So in the next video, we'll understand how we can access these values and display on the program. So thank you guys. I hope guys you have understood this two-dimensional array. We will meet in the next one.